To set up the panel, take the clamp and panel rod out of the panel frame. Loosen the nuts on the clamp and pull the pin out. Place the clamp on the plastic part already attached to the panel. The round part of the clamp is facing away from the back end of the panel. Push the pin through the assembled hinge, place the washer and secure the first nut. Take the screwdriver and spanner. Use the screwdriver to block the pin from rotating. Now place the second nut. Try the panel clamp if it moves up and down. You are now ready to place the panel rod. Loosen the knob on the clamp, push the rod through. Be mindful of the wire between the two panels. Tighten the knob to secure the rod and angle the panel to the sun.